But what the fuck was that? I'm trying to ignore that, but at the same time, like, I don't think I should. Look at this motherfucker's name. You know what? Just for that, I'm unfriending this motherfucker. I don't even know who he is, so it's probably some random ass motherfucker that I met like one time and just never met him ever again. So smells weird. Hold on. I'm not really sure what to play. Obviously, I titled the video Freddy Fazbear because I was thinking about playing FNAF games, but I don't know which one to play. Uh, Probably can only choose one because my internet loves to disconnect, as you guys may know. That's the thing my computer loves to do the most, or not my computer. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I mean, I do know it's a virus. Like that doesn't happen normally. If that happened normally, then everyone would be talking about it. But nope, it's just me. Me and probably like two other guys in the world. Oh yeah, and ignore my avatar. I know that's kind of hard to do, but at least try. All right. I guess I'll play this. It's so loud. What did I call it again? It's a goofy FNAF game. I can barely play right now because fuck, bro. Because I cut my finger, like my main index finger, but not like on it, but like on the side of it. God. So it's kind of hard to play right now. I'm gonna try and take it off in a few minutes, but yeah, and I have a band-aid on it, so I can't really move too much. Can barely play. Oh, and I got some new stuff in this game. Can't believe I forgot to mention that. Damn. Okay, I'll show you guys the game passes that I got. That's so loud. Yeah, these are the game passes that I got. I got VIP, Same Coil, and Same Push, and Same Force Field. The animatronics are so loud. I don't know if they're loud for you guys. Probably not, because my voice is louder for the Twitch stream. What the hell? Hello? Hello? Is this Among Us imposter? Is this the imposter from Among Us? Does he even jump scare? Oh, he does, but it's like really slow. He has like Golden Freddy's jump scare, but like even slower. Even like more low pitch or whatever. Doesn't seem like he's attacking. He might be friendly. Open that shit. Oh, never mind. See, I have like a force field shield thing. Just Freddy Fazbear. So I can basically do what that guy's doing. Just mess around with the animatronics. Do not die. Oh my god! Yo, did y'all see that? It's like right next to me. Alright. Let's use the purple one. I think the purple one is faster. Sometimes the purple one is so fast that it makes you like teleport. It's really weird. I think it's like only when there's lag or something. But what the hell is that? The fuck? Ew, get that shit out of here. Bro, like, hold up, I need to look at the avatar again. I kinda don't want to. There's like a bone as the head and like, it looks weird. Open it! What's up, buddy? Look at mine. Mine is better. I used to have that one before. You guys saw last video. I used to have that one. Oh! No! What? Shit. I couldn't shield fast enough. Freeze ray is not important. I don't know why I keep getting the freeze ray. See, look at that. Let's see. X-ray? Is that the same? Why is it called X-ray? An X-ray gun? Like, what does that mean? Like, do they not think about that? Okay, whatever. Maybe it shoots X-rays? I guess. I guess it doesn't have to be like an X-ray machine. Maybe it just shoots X-rays, which I guess are kind of like bad for people. Okay. Well, I got a Tommy gun, so let's shoot some people. Oh, let's go! Only 2 people survived. That's crazy. Nope. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. You almost did. Come on. That's pretty crazy. It actually takes away their health. So you can actually just make people lose. It's pretty crazy. Especially if they're AFK, then you'll just... I guess you just give them the easy way out. So they don't have to wait for an animatronic to come by and kill them. Come on. I know you want to die. I know you're suicidal. Yeah, it does very little damage, so... If someone is moving like this girl, she's not gonna die. Oh my god, what the hell? Why would you guys bring this in here? These kids are dumb. Oh my god, she's like right next to me. Stop. Gonna get me killed. What the fuck? How to break your face and look like me. Shoot that bitch. Shoot that bitch. Fuck out of here. Yeah, it doesn't work in the animatronics. I don't know why. I don't think the animatronics are like... I think they're just statues, because they don't move or anything. They just kill you if you touch them. I wonder how these animatronics work in this game, like, because they're not normal animatronics, right? They're not like their own entity or anything. They're kind of like just statues that glide over to you, and they kill you if you touch them. But they also kind of chase you, so I don't know. Let me show you how to break your face and look like me. Oh, hell nah. It's purple guy. Oh, shit! Yo! Yo, 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 stop! Stop, stop, stop! You guys are idiots. I swear if you guys... Oh my god, he almost made it in here. Okay, the gun doesn't work yet. Oh! Oh my god, shoot him, shoot him! Get him! Shoot him! His ass is dead, so... Get that ass banned. Come on, get out of here. Up. Who does bro think he is? Hello? Ew. You look weird. What is he doing? Hello? Idiot. Why is he just standing there? Hello? I never seen him up this close, by the way. Oh, shoot! Yo, get away from the doors. Oh, damn, okay. We made it, we made it, we made it, we made it! What the hell? I can't see Jack Daniels. Oh my god! No! Freddy Fazbear! Wait, can he actually hurt me? Oh my god! Get out of here! Whoa! Oh my god! Stop! 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 Holy... Holy shin! Hell? Oh hell no! It's like... What the? Bro, I can literally smell his breath. It smells like dead children. Get out of here! Bro, that girl had one of those, like, Roblox story faces. The heck? Oh, I see. Okay. Oh my god! What are you doing? Why is he just standing there? You're gonna die! Idioto! Ooh! Nice pants, by the way. Fucking Spider-Man pajama pants. Oh god, bro. God, bro! Stop! Oh my god! Dude, this kid is trying to get us killed. Please, just don't. I know you're really tempted to keep doing this, but please just don't. You're gonna get us all killed. This gun kind of sucks. Let's get a better gun. Okay, well, I didn't plan on going here, but what does that do? Wait, what? Oh my god, it has like an area strike. Look at that. Or not. Not area strike, what is it called? Airstrike, yeah. Okay, this gun sucks. I'm gonna try using this. She gonna die? Doesn't do anything. Kidding me? Oh my god. Toy Chica? Move. Move! Oh my god, you're so annoying. Fuck out of the way, bro. Oh, get up, 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 get up. Blah. Stop that. Hey. That's 3 strikes. You're out. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, ooh. Nope, 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 nope. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm gonna go show the other animatronics, but oh, looks like they're coming here themselves. Hi there, puppet. The hell? Mexican furry? Never heard of it. I don't know, furries could be Mexican. That was only like fucking weird white people. Come on. What do you want? Alright. Where's the OG gang? Jeez, throat. Get some water. Does that really do nothing? Like, I know it's throwing balls and stuff, but they're not actually damaging anyone. It's lame as fuck. Get that out of here. Nah, it's purple guy, it's purple guy. Close the doors, close the doors, close the doors, close the doors. Close the doors! You an idiot? Oh my god, bro. Close the doors. Close the doors, close the doors. Close the. Are you fucking retarded? Are you mental? Or are you physical? Jeez. He trying so hard. He trying so hard to cut a bitch. He can't. He can't do nothing. Look at that dumbass. Look at this dumbass. Bro thinks he can cut someone through a wall. Can he? Nope. You're just that ass. You're that ass at life. By the way, check this out. Check this out. Alright, close the door. I don't. No one else should see this, but close the door. God damn! Fuck out of here! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! 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 Bro, trying to showcase something. All right. Well, you guys could pause the video there if you're watching this in the future. Actually, you can still pause it while you're streaming, but take a look at that. Now, what do you guys think of that? You guys think this is good sauce? Stop. Bad. Bad purple man. Fuck, bro. I'm about to die. My life is donezo. Never mind. Easy. Please no more purple guy. Purple guy is actually not easy to like. It kind of is easy to survive against. You just have to like run a marathon. Just run around a bunch. And he won't catch you. Or you guys could just keep the doors shut. God damn. These kids are actually idiots. Like, they forget what these doors are for. Yo, let me see them. Is anyone in the kitchen? No. Yo. No. No. Okay, never mind. Sometimes he can actually release Bonbon. Oh my god! Stop, stop, stop! Stop, 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 stop! Please stop! Please stop! Please! Please! Okay, I get that, buddy. Go get him! Oh my! Please don't! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? He's kind of in our spot. Oh my god! What are people even saying? I bet they're speaking, Spanish. Yep. I was right. Oh, stop that. Stop. Bro, get out of here. Yeah, there we go, there we go, there we go. Shut it, shut it, shut it, shut it, shut it. Shut the doors. Shut the doors because, okay, never mind. You're fine. Whoops. Okay, I actually wanted to get some cool thing, but never mind. I guess it's alright. I'm trying to get the OG gang to show up. Where's the OGs? The real OGs? The home OGs? Where they at? Huh? Where they at? Where they at? Open your door. Oh, there they are. Oh, Foxy, 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 Foxy. Bro just does not care. Nope, I'm good off. I'm good off that. I'm gonna go here and look at this. Yo, this is pretty good sauce, not gonna lie. Oh, that's a guy though. No, it's not. It looks a lot like. It looks a lot like the guy default version, but nah, nah, nah. You can tell because she got like long hair. She got ass. Look at that. That ain't proof, then I don't know what else is proof. If that is a dude, then fuck this. Ooh, open it! Open your door! Get out of here. Good. Chica, let's go to the kitchen. There's pizza there. Ooh, come on. Oh, hell no. Alright, here's the thing that I want to show. So there's a lot of stuff here, right? But they're kind of lame. This is not lame. It's like I don't know what it is. It's like a laser minigun. Check this out. Fuck these kids. Look, you can combine it with the Tommy gun. You can kill them way faster. Oh my god, does everyone out? Is it loaded? Oh shit. Yo! Yo! Open the door. No, no, bad. I fuck this game, bro. Oh, that's karma. Shut up. That's not karma. Come on. I die all the time. Alright. I'm gonna just go ahead and get out this game because I don't want it to crash again. I do want to play some other games. Let's see. TPRR. This FNAF Coop. What the heck? Is this actually in TPRR? I mean, we're about to play the game now, so there's only one way to find out. Sad Freddy. Okay, that's kind of terrifying. Alright, so this is just a roleplay game, so there's not really any challenges or anything. But what I like to do in these games, sound like I'm playing Five Nights at Freddy's. Is that actually a thing? Sad Freddy? How do you get that? Ha ha ha. Your analysis, ha ha ha. Me being right at your door. Oh, never mind. Yeah, both doors shut. Uh-oh. Oh, I forgot you can't combine them. Stop! What the fuck you shooting me for? Get the fuck out of here. The hell? Oh, I guess Hardy lost. Check that out. Hold on. Do it again. It's me. Yar, it be me. Foxy the pirate. You're being watched. You know who else is being watched? You. Because I'm watching you right now as well. Even though I can't see you. Like, you still have your big ass name tag right here, so. I don't. It's kind of a lose-lose situation, if you ask me. Motherfucker, stop. You're not scary or anything. You just got your big ass name tag right there, like. Bitch! Oh, that's his OC? Yeah, I knew it was an OC because it doesn't have an icon. Alright. I'm just trying to find out how to get that Sad Freddy character. Is that like an OC? I don't think it is. It'd be hard to do that. He probably just got early access to the character. I think that's what it is. So, yup. Here's a man. Shut this. Damn. Check that out. So, I think it's this one. Spring lock sit. Yeah. The eyes are a little weird. They don't show up all the time. Whoa. The heck? This. Bro, that's what's his name? Willard Freddy. That's what Willard Freddy does. I don't remember any time Golden Freddy did that, but okay. Oh yeah, I can phase. I didn't know that. It's pretty cool. Because the Golden Freddy couldn't do that before. But look at that, now I can. Just become invisible. I turn the pupils. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. It didn't show it right there. It was too, like, I don't know. I think that was a bug. It's usually supposed to show the poster switching. Let me see if I can catch it. The hell? I didn't let me use it, did he? I don't know. That's lame as fuck. Hold on, I'm gonna use an alt account to see what that looks like. Does he know I'm here? Oh, wait, let me switch the poster. Oh, there we go. Look at it. Uh, damn. Hold on, I'm gonna try to use the kill screen on my alt account. How about that? Because everyone else here sucks. Shout out to my alt, by the way. Okay. Come on. Hell, you have to do all this just for some kill screen. Oh, I gotta make sure we do the scream at the same time. Oh, I didn't even realize that someone chatted. Oh my god, it's Gyro! Let's check out the kill screen. Come on. Oh no! Spooky, oh my god, spooky, whoa. Okay. That's the only reason why I brought my alt in there. It took a while, by the way, so. Let's see what other characters are. I don't know why Springtrap and the Puppet are here. I guess it kind of makes sense. Uh, Not really, though. I don't know. Alright, here's the Endo. Uh, Beta head? Oh my god, what the heck? Why is my computer breathing so loud? Whatever. You guys probably can't hear it, so. Yay, good for you guys. It's probably breathing like that because I'm streaming, so. Alright, and then we can put on the suit of any animatronic. Well, not any animatronic, but all the FNAF 1 animatronics. They, oh, there's no Foxy suit. Okay, well, that makes sense, actually. Right, maybe we can fool people into thinking that we're actually Freddy. There's a Freddy head here, isn't there? There we go. Alright, put it on. Look, guys, I'm Freddy. I'm totally the real Freddy. Come on now. Alright. It's kind of all there is cupcakes. Oh, damn. Fast tokens. It's a toy cupcake. It's a phantom cupcake. There's a golden cupcake. There's a nightmare cupcake. Is that really how it looks? Does it still look like this? I don't think so. I don't know. It seems like an old model. I think they need to update it. It's a pumpkin. That's definitely a new model. But that model is not on Jacko Chica because uh the models for Jacko Chica, Jacko Bonnie, and uh I think just Plus Trap as well are kind of outdated. Funtime Cupcake, Blacklight Cupcake, then just Cupcake. See, that's all there is. Who messaged me? Oh, I probably shouldn't open it. Probably shouldn't open my Twitch stream, but what did it even say? Okay, whatever. Sorry. Nice. Okay, cool. Then there's also the FNAF 2 animatronics. There's a lot of animatronics. I don't think I'm gonna show all of it. Ugh.
There's really no good answer to that, but perhaps I met it of my own at some point.
Oh,
My friend, you have met a terrible, terrible demise. But, I don't feel too bad about it. After all, if it weren't for me, it would have just been from someone else, you know? I guess what I'm trying to say is life goes on. Well, for everyone else, life goes on, not for you. You're dead. But that's neither here nor there. Reminds
Bite
me
my
of
shiny
one
metal.
Saturday in the park. I was having just a delightful
Bite my shiny metal.
and I said to him, I said,
Bite
Orville,
my
I
shiny metal.
have a story. He said to
Bite
me,
my
what's the
shiny metal.
significance of the story?
Bite my shiny metal.
I said to him,
Bite my
Orville, not every story has to have significance, you know? Sometimes, sometimes a story is just a story. You try to read into every little thing and find meaning in everything anyone says, you'll just drive yourself crazy. I
shut
had a
up
friend do it once.
and take that.
It wasn't pretty. We talked about it for years. not only that, but you'll likely end up believing something you shouldn't believe. Thinking something you shouldn't think.
Wipe my shiny metal. Woo. Move! You move? What the fuck is this motherfucker doing? Like, bro actually bought that thing. Yo, let me just show you guys how much this thing costs. The thing that guy just shot right now.
Let me go get you some rye bread. Now, I'm unsure if elephants enjoy
Look at
it.
this.
I assure you,
19,930
was on a diet.
of these fast coins.
They made
Bro, you could buy like literally anything better than that. You can buy like all the FNAF like 1, 2, and 3 animatronics probably with that amount of fast coins. Probably more. Probably FNAF 2 as well. All of the animatronics. Probably buy all the Sys Location animatronics too. Like that doesn't even do anything. It's just I don't know why you spend fast coins on that. Even if it's not Robux, he probably spent Robux on those fast coins.
More sun, no light. Forever night.
No one's even there. Here's all the animatronics. I don't know why their eyes don't show up for the phantoms. Like for the phantoms, the eyes don't show up. I don't know why. They do have their eyes though. The eyes that are shown right here. Copy paste size 40%. Yeah, pretty much. I don't even think they updated this. No, they haven't updated the Shadow Bonnie statue. Nope. Still outdated. Okay, nothing else is loading. This is FNAF 4. This is FNAF Sys Location. Is it gonna load now? There we go. Yeah, see these two are outdated. So is this. This looks like it's outdated, but it's actually not. It's just the icon is outdated. But it looks like yeah, they have updated. They said it's R15 now. So they just need to update these two and this guy, and everyone's gonna be happy. Trust me. Wipe my shiny metal. And then they have FNAF 6 as well. Is anything loading? Phew. Yeah, these models are really, really good. Like, they were not this good before, by the way. They were mid as fuck. Everything here was just mid as fuck. Like, you know? Like, you didn't even want to play the game that much. But now, like, the models are way better, and people want to spend way more time playing this game, and probably also buying stuff, so. It's an absolute win. Is this R15? I think it is, but it doesn't look like it. Dreadbear. Oh yeah, Dreadbear wasn't updated for a while. Like even after everything here was updated, this guy was still outdated. Glad they finally updated Dreadbear. Grand Foxy is still outdated. As you can see, it has a weird walking animation. And all the bonbons are outdated as well. And then here's FNAF uh, Security Breach. Here's all holiday skins. Then there's also more holiday skins here. The special section. There's way too much stuff in the special section. And everything here you have to buy with tickets. It's pretty crazy. So tickets have like an infinite use, pretty much. Yeah, there's still some outdated stuff here. Like, look at this. Broiler Baby. Broiler Baby still needs a new model. Like, look at this. This is super outdated. It sucks. This, by the way, does not suck. This is sick as hell. Does it have his voice lines? From FNAF AR? Oh, hell yeah. That's the wrong screen, by the way, but okay, whatever. Wipe my shiny metal. Boop. Damn. Alright, I'm probably gonna come back on this game later on. But I feel like I gotta, like, I don't know. I can't stay on, like, some games for too long because then it'll disconnect my internet. Yeah. Uh, there's a lot of games here. There's a lot of cool games here. I'm not really sure what this video is about. Or what this, I'm not really sure what this stream is about. I guess just showing off all the FNAF games that I play on Roblox. Uh, well, I guess I'm just gonna leave it here because the thing is I'm not sure if I really want to play like Roblox on my streams anymore because every time I play Roblox on a stream, it disconnects my internet. And no, it's not just on a stream. Like it disconnects my internet all the time, anytime it wants to while I'm playing Roblox. I hate it. I hate it so much, but I can't find out what the virus is. If any of you are like familiar with a virus that disconnects your internet, um, like when you're playing Roblox or I don't know, it might just be anything that uses a lot of data. Let me know what the virus is or what it's called or how to remove it or anything, because that would be really useful. Uh, yeah, I guess I'm gonna just leave it off here. I'll see if I can play anything else tonight. See ya.